today's video, I wanted to quickly go over and show you how you can access your digital files after you place an order directly on our website. So I have this listing. I'm going to add it to the cart. Then we're going to go to checkout. On this page, you have the items you're going to purchase. You also have an option to add a coupon code on here. We're going to check out again. And then here is where you put your info, details, payment information, and then lastly, review and submit your order. Your payment information, you also have an option to add a gift card, and you can also add the coupon code in case you forgot earlier. You can add it still at the checkout. Okay, we're gonna continue next, and once you have confirmed that your information is correct and your order summary is correct, you can place an order. And you will automatically receive your download link. Here it is. So this one has 2 files you can click on and it will download it for you onto your computer. We also text you and email you your confirmation. That way you also have a copy saved on your email and on your phone. And I will show you guys how to access it. So we are on my email. You will get something with like your download is ready by our shop, and this is your copy of your purchase along with the links to be able to download your pattern. So super easy. It's right here. Now let me quickly show you through your phone and how to access that. On your phone, you're going to receive a message basically confirming your order with a link. When you click on the link, it's basically going to take you to the same page that you received after you place your order. I would recommend that you save that link on your notes in case something happens to your patterns in the future and you need to re-download them and you can't find your email confirmation. You have that link. The only difference is that on the phone, it will ask you to download twice. So when you click on it, it will have a little pop-up that says download, click on download again, and then it will save on your phone, and then you can later on airdrop them to your computer or email them to yourself. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you download all of the files on our website. If you still have any questions, feel free to message me and then I'll reply to you as soon as I can.